We're reaching out to companies that believe in building the future, not just hiring for today. As a recruitment company, we work closely with both industry professionals and emerging talent. And one thing has become very clear to us: there is incredible potential in our students, but they need opportunity. Many graduates and students struggle to gain that first bit of practical experience, and without it, stepping into the industry becomes a challenge. That's why we're looking to partner with forward thinking companies that are open to offering internship opportunities. This isn't just about giving back, it's about investing in your future workforce. Internships will allow you to identify and develop talent early, shape individuals to fit your company culture, and build a pipeline of skilled, motivated future employees. We'll support the process by connecting you with high potential candidates who are eager to learn, grow, and contribute. If your company is open to partnering with us and creating opportunity for students, we would love to connect with you. Let's work together to develop the next generation of professionals and create opportunities that truly make a difference.